Understanding Image Search, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common and useful term in the digital world, image search. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about the internet, understanding this concept will definitely enhance your digital skills. Let's dive in. Image search refers to the process of finding images on the internet. When you use a search engine like Google, Bing, or Yahoo, you're not just limited to finding text-based information. You can also find pictures, graphics, and photographs related to the words you type in. This is incredibly useful for various purposes, like research, entertainment, or just satisfying your curiosity. When you type a keyword or phrase into a search engine and choose the image search option, the search engine uses complex algorithms to find images that match your search terms. These images are usually sourced from websites all over the internet. The results you see are a combination of relevance to your search terms and the popularity of the images. Image search has numerous applications. It's used by students for their projects, by designers seeking inspiration, by professionals for presentations, and by anyone wanting to visualize a topic. It's especially helpful for language learners to associate words with images, aiding in better understanding and memory retention. To make the most of image search, use specific and descriptive keywords. The more precise your search terms, the more relevant your results will be. For example, searching for sunset at the beach will yield more specific images than just sunset. Additionally, using filters provided by search engines, like size, color, type, and time, can further refine your results. While image search is a powerful tool, it's important to use it ethically and safely. Remember that not all images found online are free to use. Respect copyright laws and always check the usage rights before using an image. Additionally, be cautious of explicit or inappropriate content and use safety filters when necessary. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of image search and how you can use it effectively. Remember, as with any tool, use it wisely and responsibly. Happy searching, and see you in the next video.